Hi there, Melody from WTI, and yep, it's that time of year again.
And that's why our family reaches out for Sambucol. We love the products from this company. The thick syrup that are in each one of these capsules does what it's supposed to when it comes to cold and flu. So at night, you take 2 capsules just before bed to make sure you get a good night's rest away from the symptoms of cold and flus. During the day, you take it twice a day with lots of water. Make sure you're hydrated, and it allows you to continue on with your day to do whatever needs to be done. And of course, everybody has something different that needs to be done. And to make life easier, they're color coded. So the 16 daytime ones are different colors than the 8 nighttime ones. Sambucol makes sure that all the boxes are ticked when it comes to recovering from cough, cold, and flu symptoms. Your immune system is going to thank you, just like ours did.
That is our point of view.